Well, hello, and welcome back to another episode of Flatwoods Hunting Adventures out in Serency, Georgia today at an extreme field target shoot sponsored by 912 Airguns. One of the first people here, never done this type of discipline before. We've got some really cool things going on. Feel like I'm probably going to get schooled here, but I'm going to have some fun. So, got the range set up. Let me show you. It's got the range set up over there. And then each one of these, we've got a little lane cut and no bench rests. Get to sit off a bucket and basically shoot the stick. No tripods or nothing like that. And we've got all kinds of targets set out with kill zones anywhere from 20 all the way out to 100 yards. So I believe this is an 18 target course. Wow, we'll see. Everybody's sighting in.
Round of applause for the sponsors and those that are helping us out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, Scotty. Okay, so we'll start off with safety. Safety glasses and hearing protection is recommended. $22.
731. Hey, that's me.
How do you do this?
Check. Let me see. 7.
Hey, you can't get family. Put it back. Don't watch me.
Well, at least you got a gun now since he took your impact.
No, I'm getting it back too. No, he ain't.
Okay.
You gotta pay for mods.
Rainson PCP. 22 cal. It's the last one. Make it count, Scotty. You can't look in there.
I was just going.
He was looking in there. You guys saw that, right?
I have no idea what number they got. I don't know now. 718. Oh shit.
Hey!
There you
What you think, Andy? A fine day for a shoot?
Go! Look at that hit.
I swear I did.
Got him.
87 yards with just a little bit of wind.
Mr. Scotty,
Yes, sir.
tell me about your store.
912 Airguns.
What about it?
We got Airguns.
What kind?
We got FX. We got Procop. That all them right there. Western Airguns.
We got them all.
We got them all. Anything they want, we can get it.
How do we get in touch with you?
912-278-4196 or email me at 912airguns@gmail.com.
I say we learned a lot today. We're about to get ready for prizes, so we'll see.
We did learn a lot today. First of all, I do want to thank the sponsors. AOA, Andy and AOA for coming out.
Hey, Andy.
37-hour drive.
Thank
ladies
you,
and
thank
gentlemen,
you, thank
for
you.
you guys.
And did a lot of work setting up the target. Got to thank my brother Stacy for all the work he put in.
Thank you, Stacy.
Thank you, Will, for showing up.
You
And
go,
for
Will.
A lot of help.
Thank you
Thank
a
you.
lot. And also 912 Airguns.
Yeah.
Enough about them. We got also Gooch's in Hazelhurst, Georgia. Hunting store. Y'all know a lot of folks around here been to Hazelhurst. They know what Gooch's is. Next Saturday is their big sale. Also, who else we got to thank?
RV guys.
You got what's the name of their
Small living.
Small Living RV in Baxley, Georgia. They helped out with the thing with this EFT South Georgia, first one ever. listen out. We will be having some more events hopefully soon. Also, anything else we need to mention? I want to thank all the shooters. Man, appreciate everybody coming. The guys driving up from Florida, helping us out with this thing and being a part of it. And we will return the favor. They got to buy. They're gonna have to get their stuff ready. That's everybody, right? Now, places and prizes. We had a tie for first place. Terry Clark, Ken Hicks both shot 49. I did a quarter flip just to kind of, because Ken had to leave early, so I did a quarter flip. And Terry won the quarter flip.
Way to go, Crap. There you go.
So what did Terry win?
Terry won. Thanks to AOA.
Holy cow.
You won't use that, Terry.
Hey, Terry, you already got one. I mean, I can borrow you.
Oh, thank you.
I'll take you over.
Oh, my. Thank you.
Good shooting, Terry. Good
Thank
shooting.
you.
Good shooting.
Ken Hicks will be the moderator. I'll reach out to him and see. And the scope. Also, Terry, $500.
Woo!
No, that's right. Ken gets the scope and $400. Then we have Travis Dixon.
Let's show the scope.
Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself.
Nice.
This is my first rodeo.
Nice.
That's a Hawk Advantage IR.
Yeah.
Thanks, scope.
Yeah, good scope.
See, then we got Travis Dixon gets the moderator, $300. We'll reach out to Travis. Count the moderator. Chris Brandon, fourth place, $200 in the shooting sticks.
And
We got
shooting six that we used today.
Excellent.
For the camera, it's Chris Broader.
Then there's a guy here. I don't know how to. Weiner?
Yeah, that's it.
Ken Weiner.
Behind the camera.
From behind the camera. He's fifth place. He actually scored some points.
He did.
Whoa.
With a 22.
22.
Everybody else was shooting 30 cows. Wait, no. Will was shooting
22. 22. Wait a minute. Whose gun was it?
Who did the dope?
Whose gun was it?
That's it.
And $100. We got James. Way to go, Ken. Then we got James Cook.
19.
First ever
place.
shot.
Very good.
That was Ken's first time ever shooting one of these
3
events.
points
also.
away from placing. 3 points away from placing. It's not bad.
Will Teach, the flat broke air gunner.
All right, well.
Nine. Oh yes, flat broke air gunner.
Yeah.
And a man. Wear my hat.
That's a special.
Hey, and then you got your. I shot a 9.
All right.
Yay!
First round was good. Stacy, my brother, my oldest brother, he got one.
With the world record of 1.
Hey, let's put it out there that he was shooting a gun he's never shot before.
Yeah.
He also had the wrong dope chart on the whole first round,
Oh, my
and
goodness.
second time it really was at least 25-mile-an-hour winds the whole time.
Gusting to 37.
I'm giving him that. Like, I'm not taking anything away from his shooting abilities, but we did screw him.
Part of learning.
This is one of the most fun courses in a natural setting. The wind, everything was challenging, but mostly they had it prepped excellent. It was really, really fun.
Thank you, Terry.
Thank
Thank
you. Thank you.
Thank you a lot.
So this Western Sidewalk, it does semi and full, but nobody wants to see semi-automatic group. This one's for you.